God doesn't make masterpieces without getting his hands dirty. You've been asking, why is this so hard? Why does it feel like I'm being stretched, pressed, pulled? But maybe it's because you're in the middle of the potter's process. Jeremiah 18 says, you are the clay, and the clay doesn't always understand the shape that it's being formed into, but the potter does. The pressure has purpose. You're not being broken, but you're being built. Follow if you're in a season of shaping. This process isn't your end, but it's your beginning. God is forming something beautiful in you. God bless you.